Hello, welcome to AI Blogs post. How to use AI image generator from Image for free without sign up. AI image generator are becoming increasingly popular among content creators, marketers, and designers. If you want to create an AI generated image from an existing image without signing up and for free, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to use Magic Studio, a powerful AI image generator, to transform your images with ease. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser. Visit Magic Studio's official website, www.magicstudio.com. Look for the Image Generator or AI Tools section to access the image creation tool. Step 2. Type in section. What do you want? Click on the Create a Picture button. This will allow you to select the base image you want to use for AI transformation. Step 3. Customize your image with AI effects. Optional. With Sign-In, Magic Studio provides various customization options to tailor the AI-generated image according to your preferences. Adjust colors, textures, or choose from AI presets to enhance the final look. Choose any filter or style effects if available. Adjust parameters like brightness, contrast, or saturation. AI image generator from Image free, no sign up, ensures you get quality results without the hassle. Step 4. Generate your AI image. Once satisfied with the customizations, click on the Generate button. Magic Studio will process the image and produce an AI-enhanced version in seconds. Note, this is one of the fastest ways to use an AI image generator without signing up, saving time and avoiding subscription costs. Step 5. Download your AI-generated image. Once Magic Studio completes the transformation, click on Download to save the AI-generated image to your device. No sign-up or additional verification is needed.